In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get an API key on DocuSign step by step. If you're building an integration, connecting DocuSign to another app, or working with automation tools, you'll need what DocuSign calls an integration key, which functions as your API key. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so you can set it up correctly in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign.com, then log in to your DocuSign account. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has admin permissions, because access to API keys and integrations is only available to admins. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the DocuSign home dashboard. From here, look toward the top navigation area and click on Admin. This will take you to the admin dashboard where you can manage account-level settings, permissions, and integrations. If you don't see the admin option, it likely means you don't have the required permissions, and you'll need to contact your account administrator. After you're inside the admin dashboard, find and click on Apps and Keys. This section is where DocuSign manages API integrations and connected applications. Inside Apps and Keys, you'll see any existing integrations that have already been created for your account. To generate a new API key, click on Add App in Integration Key. This is the option that allows you to create a brand new integration for your application or software connection. Once you click it, DocuSign will prompt you to enter a name for your app. In the name field, type a clear and descriptive name. For example, you might enter something like My CRM Integration, Zapier Connection, or Internal Automation Tool. Choose a name that helps you remember what this integration will be used for, especially if you plan to create multiple API keys in the future. After entering the name, click on Create App. DocuSign will now generate your integration key. This integration key is your API key, and you'll use it when connecting DocuSign to external systems or when configuring API authentication. Once the app is created, you'll be taken to the app configuration page. Here, you'll see your newly generated integration key displayed. Make sure to click Save to confirm and store the configuration properly. Even if you haven't changed additional settings yet, it's important to click Save so everything is registered correctly. At this stage, you officially have your DocuSign API key. You can copy the integration key and use it in your application, API requests, or third-party automation tools. Depending on your use case, you may also need to configure additional settings like redirect URIs, authentication methods, or RSA keys. But for simply generating the API key itself, these are the core steps. Quick tip: always keep your integration key secure. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly and avoid exposing it in client-side code or public repositories. If you believe it's been compromised, you can always return to the Apps and Keys section and manage or regenerate your credentials. And that's it. That's exactly how to get an API key on DocuSign step by step. As you can see, the process is straightforward once you know where to look inside the admin settings. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.